everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my daily cleaning routine. So for now, we are starting off in the master bedroom where I am going to be doing kind of a deep clean. I normally don't do this on my daily cleaning routine, but I have kind of neglected the master bedroom for a little bit and I wanted to change that. So here I will be vacuuming, I will be cleaning my desk and kind of organizing my little bit of makeup that I have. I recently downsized my makeup a ton. And I'm really happy I did because there are only certain products that I actually use every day. And the rest was just like kind of decluttering. You guys will see my Alex 9 drawers. That used to be completely filled with makeup. And I've managed to downsize it to that little 3-drawer container on top of the Alex drawer. So I'm pretty proud of myself. And now my Alex drawers just hold everything that is meant for my business. I do own an Etsy sticker shop, so I'll leave that link below if you guys are interested. I've had my shop since 2016, so it's been a while. But there I just sell planner stickers, I sell envelopes, like cash envelopes, and some budgeting stickers. So like I said, I'll have that linked below. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I will stop talking until we get onto the living room and kitchen.
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. Tonight I'd lie for you, baby.
So just a quick question, what is your least favorite room in your house to clean? Mine has to be the bathrooms. What's yours? Our carpet is probably the most stained carpet out of both bedrooms. I don't know why, it just is. So that part kind of sucks. So there are not spots on the carpet that are dirt, it's just stains. Just a heads up. don't judge me. I was trying to figure out my new vacuum. I got it about a month ago, but I've only used it like 30 times. So I'm still trying to figure out all the features. And that's what I was doing there. I was trying to figure out how to get the rolling part to work, which is supposed to be the button that I'm pressing, but for some reason it wasn't working. So I looked at the manual and I was doing it wrong.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's
I recently picked up the home edit book and I am so excited. I love anything organizing, as you guys might have noticed. I am definitely going to be using some projects in there when we move into our new apartment in March. I am just so excited for a new beginning in a new apartment. It's just going to be like my favorite part, decorating, organizing, all of that. So the home edit book is definitely right up my alley.
When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no
Okay, so now I am working on the living room, cleaning off the entertainment center, and I'm going to be spraying it down with some Method multi-surface spray. And then after that, I'm just going to do a quick pickup of the rest of the living room.
when it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a
So after the living room was finished, I moved on to the kitchen, where right now I'm just trying to clean off a little patch of my countertop, and I will be wiping it down with some Method multi-surface spray again. And that way I can take all the clean dishes that are in the dishwasher and put them on that little clean patched area so that I can organize where I want the dishes to go. It's just something that I've learned over the past year and a half that we've lived here. It's just a lot easier that once the dishes are done to have them organized and sorted out on the counter before putting them away. It kind of saves a minute or two.
You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight.
now is when I realized that I accidentally got water on one of Maddie's paintings, and now the paint was dripping off of it and getting on the countertop as well as on coupon sheets that I ended up having to throw away because it was covered in the paint. So I just had to kind of wipe that off really quickly, be careful, all that fun stuff. So that's what the blue stuff on the counter is. Might have noticed that there was this pink box on the counter, and I recently started this new system with Maddie where if she gets 10 unicorns, by the end of the week she gets in the treasure box. And the way that she earns this is either helping out with chores, doing a good deed, going to bed on time, because lately it's been a struggle to get her to sleep before 1 a.m. Don't know why. She's 4 years old, so at that point she should be tired enough. But then again, she is still in pre-K, so they still have naps. And I think that the naps might be keeping her up. I don't know, maybe she's just getting too much sleep. But that will be a unicorn if she gets to sleep before 10 p.m., which I know is very huge, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's basically what that box was. It was just a treasure box where every Friday, as long as she gets 10 unicorns, she will be able to pick out. She recently did pick out, and she got a movie night where I just had like this popcorn holder that I got from the dollar spot, and inside was a bag of popcorn and some movie snacks. So that's just a fun idea.
But it's not like I need it, and we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me.
Okay, so now that the kitchen is done, I am moving on to my daughter's bedroom. This is the last part of this video. She's been sleeping on the floor for the past couple of days, so that's why there's all her bedding on the floor. So this is the first time I'm making her bed in 3 days, which is insane. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. So next Saturday, I'm going to be having a deep clean with me coming up, and it's a collab, so I'm very excited about it. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for that if you guys liked this content. And if you did, I also have past clean with me, so I'll have it linked below as well. Also, I don't think I mentioned this yet, but my daughter drew on her walls about a year ago, and we still haven't painted over it. It will be happening in the next couple of months, so just ignore that for now, but that's what's going on with it. So anyways, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.